Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 7th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Encompass Health, the largest owner and operator of inpatient rehabilitation hospitals in the United States. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Encompass Health has just released their fourth quarter 2024 earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack, from their impressive revenue growth to their strategic outlook for 2025.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Encompass Health reported a net operating revenue of $1.405 billion for Q4 2024, which is a 12.7% increase compared to last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth was primarily driven by a 7.8% increase in discharges, including a 5.8% same-store growth. Additionally, the net patient revenue per discharge grew by 4.2%. This indicates that Encompass Health is not only expanding its patient base, but also enhancing the value of each patient interaction.
And how did this translate into profitability?
Well, the Adjusted EBITDA increased by 13.6% to $289.6 million, reflecting the strong revenue performance. The adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.70, which is a 23.2% increase from the previous year, showcasing their effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Cash flow and financial health. Moving on to cash flow, Encompass Health reported operating cash flows of $278.8 million, a significant increase of 38.7%. What contributed to this robust cash flow performance?
The increase in operating cash flow was primarily due to higher net income and favorable changes in working capital, although it was partly offset by higher cash tax payments. Their adjusted free cash flow also saw a remarkable increase, more than doubling to $190.5 million, which provides them with greater financial flexibility.
How does this position them for future investments?
With such strong cash flow, Encompass Health is well positioned to continue investing in capacity expansion and other strategic initiatives, which is crucial for sustaining their growth momentum.
Strategic initiatives and 2025 guidance. Looking ahead, Encompass Health has issued guidance for 2025. Can you walk us through their strategic initiatives and what they expect for the coming year?
Absolutely. For 2025, Encompass Health is projecting net operating revenue between $5.8 billion and $5.9 billion, with Adjusted EBITDA ranging from $1.6 billion to $1.2 billion. They also expect adjusted earnings per share to be between $4.67 and $4.96. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued discharge growth and operational efficiencies.
What strategic initiatives are they focusing on to achieve these targets?
They are focusing on expanding their capacity, as evidenced by the addition of 427 beds in 2024. Their strategy is to leverage their value proposition and operational strengths to capture more market share and enhance patient outcomes.
CEO insights and market position. CEO Mark Tarr mentioned that the fourth quarter was a strong finish to 2024. What insights did he provide about their market position and future prospects?
Mark Tarr highlighted the 7.8% discharge growth as a key factor in their strong performance. He emphasized their successful capacity expansion with 427 new beds, which supports their long-term growth strategy. Tarr remains optimistic about their market position, citing their validated value proposition and bullish outlook on the business's future.
How does this position them against competitors?
Encompass Health's strategic focus on capacity expansion and operational efficiency positions them well against competitors, allowing them to capitalize on growing demand for rehabilitation services and maintain their leadership in the industry.
Key takeaways. In summary, Encompass Health has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2024, with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and robust cash flow position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Encompass Health's strong financial performance and strategic focus make them an attractive investment, especially with their positive 2025 guidance. Investors should keep an eye on their continued capacity expansion and market dynamics.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Encompass Health's performance in the comments below.